Hello and welcome everybody. Happy to have everybody back as we continue our CyberConnect, and here to introduce Tomasz on our second Focus Cyber session, From Journalist to Cybersecurity Engineer, How to Start Your Journey. And welcome. So excited to hear your story.
Thank you. Thank you. Um, thank you for being here. My name is Tomasz Szulczewski. I live in Poland, and good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. And Today I would like to share with you my story, how it actually happened that someone who has a master degree in journalism work in cybersecurity right now. So at the beginning, three facts. Yes, I have a master degree in journalism. Yes, for last couple of years, I work as a senior cybersecurity engineer or consultant. And no, I don't have a master degree in computer science or something like that. Uh, my goal here is to first, I would like to inspire you that even if you don't have it, master degree in computer science, you can land your job in cybersecurity. It's still possible. It's different than 10 or 20 years ago, for example, because of the AI, but it's still possible. Uh, and I believe that it's important to highlight a few things before you start dreaming actually about this. Because many people think that if you work in cybersecurity, you earn huge money, your job is exciting, and if you want, you can change your job in just a few days because everyone wants to hire you. Well, that's just some kind of marketing, how it looks like. But I would like first just highlight a few key points here. So, working in cybersecurity and IT in general is a very challenging job, actually, because if you think that you just learn something, and if you think that you are ready to go, well, you have a problem because usually it means that you have to learn day by day new frameworks, new solutions, new platforms, new vulnerabilities. And I know that some people are not ready for it. So before you make an investment of your money, time, ask yourself if you are ready for it. Second thing is, I think that it's crucial to have a plan. I mean, because if you just think that I want to work in cybersecurity without any idea where would you like to be in 6 months, in a year, or in 5 years, probably it will not work. But if you if you if you're 100% sure that I want to work in cybersecurity, well, my story could be good idea, of course, with some kind of modification which apply to your story, but I think it could work. So when I get my master degree in journalism, I find out that, well, I not good enough to be really successful uh, in in journalism, and I start to think, what can I do, and with what I'm good at. I mean, in which skills I already have, which could be useful. And very quickly, I find out that, okay, I'm good at computers. And this is something what I can really use it to, to get something better, to start working in IT. So that part will be very funny because I found a job advertisement in a newspaper. Yes, I'm that old, and that company was looking for exchange administrator. Let me be clear. I didn't have a clue how it works, what should I do, and how to make an administration of Exchange server. So I went to bookstore. I get a book. I still remember Exchange Administrator 5.5. I learned this book almost by heart, and I went to the job interview, and I was good enough to pretend that I'm really good in Exchange administration, and this is how it started. And what I'm trying to say that the first step to start this journey is to make your hand dirty. I mean, to get into real job, not exactly cybersecurity, but real IT job. I mean, first line of IT support, help desk, whatever, but to start with the company where you can actually learn how it works. I mean, because I get so many questions on the LinkedIn. If I get CISP certificate, I will get a job. But you don't have an experience. But I will get a certificate. Well, it will not work, because the certificate, CISP certificate, for example, in this case, is the last step, because even the best certificate will not work if you have no experience, real experience, because people, companies do not hire you for certificate, but they hire you for your skills. That's why working in IT department will be good start for you to make your hand dirty, to learn how computers work, how to connect them, how network works. Funny story, at the beginning of my career, I learned how database servers works. And now this knowledge, which I get about, I don't know, 25 years ago, is still useful. Those basics still are useful when I have to mitigate attacks against SQL Server vulnerabilities. It's still useful, but the basics I learned 25 years ago, and it's absolutely not related to the cybersecurity at all. So, and what is also important, if you think about this, start looking for the bigger company which looking for someone who wants to work in the IT department or something like that. Because, for example, I have a colleague who is my current team member, who was working in IT department of my current company, and he asked my boss if he can join our team, and he was approved. What I'm trying to say is that when you work for such company and you will be recognized, and other team members, managers will see that you bring value, you will probably get a chance to ask to change the department, or to change position, to get promoted, whatever. What is important that do not try to avoid small companies, because in small company usually it will be very difficult to work as a to change a department. But if a company is big enough, believe me, it will work. It will work. Probably it will work. And many companies those days prefer to promote someone from internal team, or even from make some kind of investment, than looking for somewhere outside. because those days recruitment process is just madness, and when they ask when they publish some kind of advertisement, they will get thousands of resumes, which is very challenging for them. So most companies those days prefer to promote someone from their internal team. So that's the very good step. Start small with the company